Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to create effective charts. This data has been downloaded from the jobs database. So here we have data on many different topics from the years 2000 until 2016. So let's grab the GDP growth, which is in percentage format for the years. So I'm just going to copy the data set and paste it in a new sheet. This is a filtered, cleaned data set that you're seeing here on the screen. When you download it, it's not going to look like this. You will first need to clean it up. So first thing we're going to learn is how to create a chart. So using this data set, I'm going to create a clustered column. Now here you're seeing the data set is in percentage format. So if you want, you can reduce the percentage points here. So instead of 4 decimal places, I'm going to reduce it down to 1 decimal place. Now we're going to select the entire data set and we're going to put grid lines around it. So under Home tab right here. Next, I'm going to select the entire data set and I'm going to go to the Insert tab, and in the Chart section, you can check out the recommended chart section as well, and you will notice that the clustered column is available there. It also gives you a snapshot view before you actually choose the clustered column. Now in order to move it, we're going to click on the chart first, and when you see the 4 arrows, you can drag the chart to place it in any cell you wish. Once that's done, you can also increase the size of the chart by dragging on the borders. Next, we're going to learn how to modify this. Now, when you click on the cell outside of the chart, you don't see the Design tab. If you click on the chart, you will notice that there is a Chart Design tab that comes up. When you click on it, you will notice that there are many different styles you can choose from. So feel free to browse and choose a style that you prefer. Next, we're going to add some elements to the chart. So when you click on the Chart Design tab will come up, and on the left hand side where you see Chart Element, if you click on the down arrow, let's select Data Labels. So here you're noticing that the data labels is showing on the inside end. If you want, you can move it to the center or to the outside end. Let's keep it in the center. On the Chart Elements section, you also have other options. For example, Axis Titles. If you want to insert a vertical title, you'll click on it, and when the pops up here, you can type in GDP in percent. You can of course play with the font size by clicking on the Home tab and increase the size as needed. If you wish to include a legend key, you can choose it under the Data Table option, which will show you the values right beneath the chart. Next, let's create a line chart using this data set. So to create a line chart, we're going to select only the second column. You can insert the column label as well. Click on the Insert tab, and in the chart section where you see the line option, select 2D line. Now we're going to move this to a new sheet. So right click on the chart, move chart. You can again name this. Once your chart has been created, you can modify the title by double clicking on this. If the chart title is not visible, you can click on the Chart Design tab, and on the left hand side, you can select Chart Title and insert that into your chart. You can also add axis titles if you wish, primary horizontal, as well as primary vertical, and you can double click on it and type a name. You can also choose a design that you wish, and you can also change the colors. You can also play with the quick layout option on the left hand side.